Hi everyone and welcome to Advent Polls number 12. Today we have the same square that we've had over the past few days, and today we're going to join some of the exercises together. First of all, I'm just walking a small figure of 8 over the two diagonals using the square. So I'm effectively crossing corner to corner. First of all, I do this and walk, and then you'll see I'll progress to trot. I'm aiming to keep as straight as possible so that I meet the poles on the corner. So now I'm going to start putting some of the exercises together to make a little routine. My first one is in trot only. I come down the centre line, keeping as straight as possible, and I've tracked right, and then I pick up one of my small circles around the corner of the square. I then track right again and pick up my diagonal to go corner to corner through the square. I'm then going to repeat that on the other rein, coming down the centre line, but this time tracking left, picking up my small circle through the corner of the square, and then finishing across the diagonal corners of the square. Then you can develop it further to include some canter. So again, I start down the centre line and tracking right again to pick up my small circle over the corner of the square. However, this time I go around the back of the square before picking up the change of rein across the diagonal. Then once I've changed rein, I pick up my left lead canter and pick up a circle and come through the square on the left lead canter, and then back to trot, and then come back down the centre line to finish and aim to halt in the square. You can then complete this exercise on the other rein. However, I've got one more slightly different routine to finish. So I'm down the centre line, I'm turning right, picking up my small circle, and then this time I do the change of rein across the diagonal. So now I'm on the left rein, coming back down the centre line, going to repeat that on the left rein. So I've got my small circle, and then I've got my change of rein across the diagonal. So this is the same pattern that I did at the start in just trot. But this time I've added a little bit more. So once I'm back on the right rein, I add another circle in the corner of the square, and then pick up canter, and canter a circle to come through the square. Then come back to trot, down the centre line and through the square so that I can change the rein. And then I pick up my small circle, followed by the canter transition and the larger circle in canter coming through the square. To finish the circuit. That was Advent Poles number 12. I hope you enjoyed it. See you tomorrow.